Have you ever noticed how something as simple as walking can become one of the biggest challenges as we age? One small slip, one unexpected stumble, and life can suddenly change. But what if I told you that just a few small changes in the way you walk could protect your independence for years to come? Hi friends, welcome back to Healthy Life Tips. If you care about staying strong, steady and confident as you age, make sure to hit that subscribe button and like this video, because today we're talking about something that truly matters for your long-term health: how to walk safely and confidently at any age. For many people in their 60s, 70s or 80s, walking isn't just about getting from one place to another. It's about freedom, independence and peace of mind. And here's the good news. Most falls can actually be prevented simply by changing how you move. In this video, you'll learn 7 simple walking habits recommended by physical therapists and aging experts. These don't need fancy shoes, gyms, or expensive tools, just awareness and a little daily practice. You'll discover how to improve your posture, strengthen your balance, and move with confidence again, whether you sometimes feel nervous on uneven ground or just want to feel more stable when walking through your home. Before we dive in, I'd love to know where you're watching from today. Type your city or state in the comments below, and if you already have a walking or balance tip that helps you, share it. You never know who your story might help. Let's start with something small but powerful. Your head position. Most people never realize how deeply their head affects their entire balance system. Think of your head like a steering wheel. Wherever it turns, your shoulders, back, and hips follow. Many older adults walk with their heads down, always checking the ground for safety. It feels smart, right? But here's the surprising truth. Constantly looking down can actually make you more likely to fall. When your head tilts forward, your shoulders round, your back curves, and your body weight shifts ahead of your center of gravity. That throws off your balance and stability. Physical therapists teach what ES called the 20-80 rule: look straight ahead 80% of the time and glance down only 20%, just with your eyes. Try keeping your gaze about 10 to 15 feet ahead, in your living room, your yard, or the grocery store. At first it'll feel strange, but soon you'll notice your back straightening, your steps smoothing, and your balance improving. Walking with your head up also boosts confidence. It tells your brain and your body, I am strong and in control. Now let's talk about your arms. You may not think about them much, but they play a huge role in balance. Every time your right leg steps forward, your left arm should naturally swing forward too. This rhythm stabilizes your body and keeps it centered. As we age, many people stop swinging their arms, often due to stiffness, arthritis, or fear of falling. But that stiffness actually increases the risk of losing balance. Try this simple exercise. Stand near a counter or sturdy chair, march gently in place, and let your arms swing naturally with your steps. Don't force it, keep it relaxed and easy. Notice how your body immediately feels more balanced. When walking, keep your elbows slightly bent and let your hands swing freely at your sides. Your arms are your built-in balance tools, so let them move with you gently, freely and confidently. Now let's move to your feet, because how your feet hit the ground determines how stable you feel. Many older adults start walking flat-footed or landing on their toes first, which weakens balance over time. But here's the right way. Your heel should touch the ground first, then your weight rolls across the middle of your foot and your toes push off into the next step. This smooth heel-to-toe motion keeps your stride steady and your posture strong. Try practicing slowly in a hallway or on a soft carpet, focusing on that gentle roll of the foot. Within days, you'll notice smoother steps and stronger balance. Your body remembers how to move efficiently. You just need to remind it. Now let's talk about the size of your steps. Taking smaller steps actually makes walking safer and easier. When you take long strides, your front leg reaches too far ahead and shifts your weight backward, increasing the risk of slipping. But smaller, quicker steps keep your weight centered over your feet, making it easier to recover from any sudden misstep. Try this. Walk across your living room at your normal pace, counting how many steps you take in 10 seconds. Then do it again with smaller, lighter steps. You'll likely take more steps but feel steadier. It might feel funny at first, but soon it'll become second nature. Remember, walking smart is better than walking fast. Balance doesn't just come from your legs, it comes from your core. Your stomach, hips, and lower back muscles are like the foundation of your house. If that foundation weakens, everything above it wobbles. As we age, our core muscles quietly lose strength. You may find yourself leaning on furniture, getting tired after short walks, or feeling unstable while standing still. That's your body asking for core support. Here's the good news. You don't need crunches or a gym. Try lifting 1 foot an inch off the floor while standing near a counter and hold for 5 seconds, then switch sides, or gently pull your belly in while brushing your teeth or cooking. Not hard, just enough to feel your stomach tighten. Tiny moments of mindful strength build up fast. One woman I met, 82-year-old Mary, regained her balance simply by doing these daily. Within weeks, she felt stronger, taller, and steadier. Your core is your anchor. Strengthen it a little every day, and you'll feel your confidence return with every step. Sometimes the biggest danger isn't a big obstacle. It's a small change in the floor. A throw rug, a wet tile, a doorway threshold, or even a patch of shadow can cause a stumble if you're not alert. As we age, our eyes and reaction time slow slightly, which means the brain takes longer to register what's beneath you. A 78-year-old viewer named Alan told me he nearly fell on a freshly mopped kitchen floor. It looked dry but wasn't tea. From that day, he developed a habit. Every time he entered a new room, he quietly said what kind of floor it was: tile, carpet, or wood. It sounds simple, but it worked. It trained his brain to prepare for each surface. Try it. It keeps your mind and body connected. Also, pause for 1 second when moving from bright light to dim spaces. That quick pause lets your eyes adjust and prevents trips or slips. Awareness is your greatest safety tool. Finally, let's talk about support tools. Many seniors hesitate to use canes or walkers, thinking it means weakness, but using support wisely is a sign of strength. A cane, walker, or grab bar isn't a symbol of dependence. It's a safety net that keeps you active, mobile, and independent. If you hold on to walls or furniture often, that's your body telling you it's time for better support. Hold your cane on the side opposite your weaker leg. For walkers, keep them close and take small steps. Don't push them too far ahead. If possible, have a physical therapist adjust it properly for you. Even one short session can make a big difference. Add safety aids in your home too: non-slip mats, bathroom railings, and good lighting. These small choices protect your independence, not take it away. Remember, smart support today means freedom tomorrow. You've just learned 7 small but powerful habits that can completely transform how you walk. No expensive equipment, no special training, just mindful daily movement. Let's recap quickly. Keep your head up for balance. Swing your arms naturally. Walk heel to toe. Take smaller, safer steps. Strengthen your core. Stay aware of floor changes and use support wisely. Each small habit adds up to something life-changing. Confidence. Confidence in every step you take, whether it's across your living room, through your garden, or down the sidewalk on a sunny afternoon. The truth is, your best steps aren't behind you. They're still ahead. Every time you lift your head, swing your arms, or take a mindful step, you're proving that you are still strong, capable, and in control. Now I'd love to hear from you. Which of these 7 walking habits surprised you the most? Which one will you start practicing this week? Tell me in the comments below, because your story might inspire someone else watching right now. And if this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and share it with a loved one. Because walking safely isn't just about preventing falls. It's about living fully, staying independent, and enjoying every single step of life with confidence.